In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy and add furniture and run a restaurant on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is go into your shop and you're going to see a little shop icon over on this left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and select the shop icon over here and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You want to select this little furniture tab right here. Go ahead and select that furniture tab, and once you're on the furniture tab, you're going to see all the stuff available for purchase. There's a bunch of different stuff on here, so scroll through here, find whatever one you like. In this case, let's go ahead and say we want to get some chairs. Actually, it looks like they don't have too many chairs left. Go ahead and get however many chairs you need. For example, we'll get 2 of them real quick so that we could put some over here for this table. But select those, put them here, and once you go ahead and put them down, they'll be in your shop. Now you can also get appliances in this exact same section, like you can get different fridges, you can go ahead and get more counter space, stuff like that. The process really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.